Friends, today I am going to explain you about retailer onboarding. By this time you would have already downloaded Mitra app. So we will move to next option. As soon as you are going to open this Mitra app, you may be asked for LAPU number. So here is a LAPU number that we are going to feed, and then the submit button has to be pressed. Once you press that submit button, this is how the screen is going to be appear, where you need to put your OTP number, the OTP number 6 digits number that you are going to receive on your mobile number. So that you are going to receive on your, not on mobile, on your LAPU number in fact. So you just feed 6 digit your OTP and then create a password, make a new password with any 4 digit random number and confirm the same. Then you have to press create password button over here. So once you are going to create a password, the next screen that is going to appear like this, where on the left hand side you will find on extreme red color, the ribbon that you can see there on the top. So with the tab on the left hand side, you will find Airtel Mitra, and in the middle there is Airtel Payment Bank, and on the right hand side you will find there is the entertainment. So you press, you select the Airtel Payment Bank, and then at the down you have to select be an agent. So by selecting be an agent, this is how the screen is going to appear. With the retailer Aadhaar number, you will be asked to feed a retailer Aadhaar number. You need to feed your Aadhaar number and your name, and then press the submit button. As soon as you will press this submit button, you may be asked for PAN number. If you have a PAN number, feed your PAN number. If you do not have PAN number, uncheck the box. Then there was a finger impression biometric authentication is required. You press your finger, and obviously you have to tick this box whether you have been asked for permission to use your Aadhaar card for KYC purpose. So once you are going to check this box, the data is going to be fetched in like this, where your all details should be there, and this is the same detail which is appeared in which is already there in your Aadhaar card, on your Aadhaar card. After that you have to move to few more lines, whether you need to select few options like select a language, whether you can select English generally or Hindi, and the select entity type, what kind of business you are already into. So individual or proprietorship preferably you can select. Then you will move to options like a shop name, whether you can put your shop name, and few more information. If you have a Aadhaar address is different from your business address, in that case you need to feed all fill all the lines completely, line 1, line 2, and village, pin code, district, and city will be appeared by default as soon as you are going to feed your pin code. If you have a same address, your Aadhaar address and business address is the same, in that case you are going to check this box. Then we will move to next. In the next, it will also ask you for a distributor number, whether you need to feed your distributor number. So here in this case we put the distributor number as a 70700499132, and then you will move to submit button. As soon as you will go for submit button, this is how the information is going to be appear overall in a summarized manner, and then you need to verify details and authenticate this information once more. So here would be the finger impression that need to be captured again, and by capturing this finger you will move to next screen, whether message says your registration has already been done successfully. But remember, if you do not have a PAN card, like the PAN card that I have already shown you in the last screen, whether it will ask a retailer for a PAN card. If you do not have a PAN card, in that case one more screen is going to be appear, whether form 60 declaration. So this information is going to appear. You need not to do anything, you just need to do next, and then you need to submit that button, and this is how the screen is going to be appear for even for those retailers who does not have a PAN card. After doing this, once you have successfully registered as a retailer, now you move to payment bank. So you need to press home button. Here you can see there is home. You press this home button, and since you are a first time user, you select this first time user option. With selecting this option, again it will ask you for OTP, which OTP is already going to be appearing on your Lapu number. So you need to feed this OTP. Then again once more you need to create a password, this time for Airtel Payment Bank, and password has to be a combination of alphabets, special character and digits, upper and lower case. As you can see on the screen, you can select any password randomly with the combination of special character, digit and alphabets that already told you. And after that you have to press button create. Once you have pressed this create button, this is how the screen is going to appear. You may be surprised to not to find out the options like AEPS and account opening at initial stage, because it may appear after 2 or 3 days. It is going to be added later on once you are going to be activated. Once you are active, once you are already working as an active retailer, after 2 or 3 days these options are going to be added with your Lapu number. Meanwhile, you can also make a